In this tutorial, we will discuss how to complete a discussion post in your course. Every week in your courses, you will need to answer a question pertaining to that week's learning objectives and discuss with your classmates about that topic. You can find the discussion question for each week listed under each section in the course. You will want to use the reading assignment for that week, found in the module overview, as well as other materials to answer the question. Here's where you can find the reading assignment. You'll click on the discussion question link under the section you are looking at, or the week you are looking at, and this is the question that you'll need to answer. We recommend creating a Word document with your answer to the discussion question so that you can master APA formatting instead of typing directly into the discussion box online. Once your response is complete, you can then copy and paste from your Word document into the discussion link. To do so, click on the discussion link under the section pertaining to the corresponding week in the course and then click Add New Discussion Topic. Start by giving your discussion post a name. Then click on the arrow icon in the top left-hand corner of the message box to reveal more options. Find the paper icon titled Paste Special. Copy and paste your discussion post from the Word document that you created into the left-hand box. Make sure that Paste from Microsoft Word is selected. You will notice that the formatting will change slightly in the discussion box, where it will be posted. That is okay, as long as your APA citation and bibliography have not changed. When you are completed, click Complete Paste, and then Post to Forum. Don't forget to respond to at least 2 of your classmates' posts by the end of the week.